Good morning, everyone. See, I'm showing you greenery today, which is a very rarity in the city nowadays, especially in Calcutta. And I have Aura with me. She's busy moving around. And it's early morning. The winter is kind of coming, so we are pretty excited with that part. That yes, time to enjoy a bit, time to enjoy the weather because summers are really bad in Calcutta. It's very hot and humid, and it becomes really sweaty. So you really don't enjoy doing much in the summers. So let's just enjoy the greenery over here for a while as we talk. So today is 18th October 2016. The number is 9 today, and the day is Tuesday, so which is also number 9. So it's a perfect day for people who are born on 9th, 18th, and 27. Take all the risks you've been wanting to take. If there's a meeting, if there's a project you've been wanting to do, go ahead. If there's some kind of communication you need to do with any of your partner relationships, go ahead and do it. Today you will not be disappointed. Apart from number 9, 3 and 6 will have the upper hand today. The people who are born on 3, 12th, 21st, 30th, 6th, 15th, and 24th, they'll all have the benefits today. The things will favor them, the energy will favor them. People who are a little religious and spiritual, they should go to a Hanuman temple today because number 9 is Hanuman's number, and that way you can invoke the energy of Hanuman, that is of bhakti, that is of strength, and something to do with devotion. And look at this looks so beautiful now early morning. For me this is very important. I wouldn't like to settle in a place where there's only commercialization. I would rather be at a place like this where I can see some greenery. There's a lake that side. I cannot go that side because they have stopped allowing pets nowadays. Otherwise, in itself it's a beautiful place. This is one of the place in my neighborhood. um, So, the firstly, there was a reputed brand coming as a restaurant over here, a fine dining restaurant, but that didn't work out. And that was after a long gap. I don't remember recollect anything happening here before that. And then another brand took over. They were providing with alcohol, shisha, everything, and the place has beautiful interiors. Yet the place didn't work out. So they tried to create this kind of, you know, around their gate. It was all beautiful. But I always say, no matter what you do, if the energy of the place is not good, even if the Vastu is perfect, it's not going to flourish. Always remember that. So if a place which, say, supposedly you have taken up, but the past history is that things have shut down, people couldn't pay their rent or EMIs, don't go for such places until unless you do the cleansing of the energies. Because you need to understand the place has the energy has been depleted. For example, somebody who's sick, you wouldn't expect that person to run a marathon until unless that person has really worked hard on himself or herself. And otherwise, if you see a place which people have progressed at, say I took a place, I felt better, I took a bigger place, I moved out because I went to a different city, I channelized my work better, I grew the network better. Go to such places because those places have prosperity energy. Those places will always take you ahead in life. So always go and check the energies of the place. Feel the connect. And you might ask me, you cannot afford someone, you don't know whom to call at times. Just go. Go and stay at that place 10 minutes quietly. Maybe sit down. Maybe just meditate. And I'm telling you, you'll get the answer yourself within 10 to 15 minutes whether this place is made for you or not. And always check the past history of the place. If the history has not been good, do not go for it until or unless you do something about it. So this place, even though there was a perfect hanging out zone for youngsters or even the middle-aged people, but it couldn't work out. And the brand which came before this one, that was a very successful brand. So they had a fine dining restaurant somewhere in central Kolkata. They grew there. That was coming out to be perfect for them. And then they shifted to this place at a bigger place with great interior and things like that. So, but it bombed. So all of you have a wonderful day. Don't forget 369 people, this is your day. I'm having a great time with Aura, who's busy checking out everything. Hi Aura, say hello. Say hello. Ole. Say hello. Don't come to me. Say hello, 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 hello. Don't come to me. Come, come.